Thank you very much. My name is Kenneth Mogoeng. I'm from Northwest Province as a provincial chairperson of the traditional health practitioners. We are here for a summit which started well, but there were some other hiccups on how it started, but we managed to resolve the issues. Back to the ingredients of the summit, we discussed a lot of issues which to me they were so much productive in terms of going forward. The issues were about the registration of the traditional health practitioners and also creation of the database, establishment of the interim traditional health council of traditional practitioners, whereby it was supposed to be now a permanent council, but it has been put on hold since 2017. So we had issues to clarify. This was all about the summit, and we managed to spoke and sit down with the Minister of Department of Health, Honorable Joe Pasha, and then we promised that according to his words, he said that we will see to it whether the council will be appointed and also the database to start the registration of the THPs will commence sooner. I may not give the time frame of that, but in other words, there is a process. So we are going back to our respective provinces to report, because we are delegated here to convey the messages and also take back the message back home to our respective 9 provinces of this country. So we hope that we put some recommendations and resolutions as a way of going forward. We think and trust and hope that the Department of Health, as we'll be working together going forward, then we'll achieve our goals and also our wishes as traditional health practitioners. Thank you very much.